That is too frickin' funny. Oh, you look just like your dad. It's so sad. Ryan, I'm...
Okay, welcome to Hersey West High School graduation, class of 2012. The shortest and sweetest graduation ceremony you will ever see. This is the first day of the rest of your life. Blah, 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 blah. You'll never forget these memories. Yada, 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 yada. And now a speech from our adjunct softball coach, Mrs. Erin Beck. As we are on the theme of brief. 20 top inspirations. Just for you. Find your passion. Believe in yourself. Do not let others define who you are. Have big dreams. Take action and get in the game. Louder. Be bold and courageous. Do not give up.
Sound like my mom.
It's okay to fail. You do not need to be perfect. Use your imagination and creativity. Follow your heart and intuition. Do what you love. Stay in the present moment. Think you can do it. Take risks. Embrace change. Work hard and keep walking the road. Maintain your integrity. Give back. And finally, keep learning. Congratulations.
Hey.
And now, please join me in welcoming to the stage the Hersey West Choir for a brief
All right. Very good.
As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And just our lives change. Come whatever, we will still be friends forever. La, 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 Okay, and now for the presentation of the diplomas. Assisting today is the Hersey West representative, Mr. Tim Murphy. In the interest of time, as we announce our graduates, please refrain from cheering until all names have been read. First up, Mr. Ryan James Papa.
Mark, step out a little. Oh, that was great. Yeah, turn around, Ryan. Steve, throw it. Hey, dang it.
Throw the hat. Not yet.
No.
That is the end. Thank you for coming.
Ryan.